The question when looking at this bookshelf is whether we're looking at primary or secondary authority. So we're going to zoom in to 5 different sources, and after each zoom in, you're going to answer a little question whether you're looking at primary or secondary authority. Now this is important because in real life, you cannot cite secondary authority in a brief or a memo. I mean, it's very rare you can, but you have to know what primary authority is. Here we go. Now for a quick explanation of each one. Michigan compiled laws. Anytime you see compiled laws, revised statutes, code, anything like that in the title, you know that it is primary authority. It will be the statutory compilation for the state. Basically any synonyms of codified law. Okay, for Michigan criminal law and procedure, that is secondary authority. That is a treatise. It has a very descriptive title, Michigan Criminal Law and Procedure. You don't find really descriptive titles like that for primary authority, only generic ones, like Michigan Compiled Laws or Reports or Reporter. So don't focus, anything that focuses on just one area of law is a treatise or an encyclopedia, something to use in background research. It is secondary authority. Okay, now the Michigan Appeals Reports, that's primary authority. Anything with reports or reporter contains case law, and case law is primary authority. Note that this is called a reports. Reports usually signals that it's the official publication of the government, meaning the government publishes it, but not always. In Florida, for example, the Southern Reporter was adopted as the official reporter of the state. Okay, now for the sexual assault bench book, that is secondary authority. This term bench book, it means that it's something that is written by usually a state Supreme Court for all of the judges in the land. And it just summarizes the law that is most frequently dealt with by these judges. So it's secondary authority. Okay, motions in limine. Again, do you see how descriptive that title is? When you get those descriptive titles, you know that it's dealing with secondary authority. And this is just a little really small treatise on motions in limine, very narrow focus in Michigan. So that is secondary authority. Okay, let's head to Chapter 3.